Hey everyone, welcome to Modern Thinking. If you're looking to invest but just don't know where to start, well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to dive in and learn about different types of investments and what each of those can do for you. In this third series, we will learn all about rental income investing. Rental income can come in many forms. Maybe you own a house or a condo or even an apartment complex. All the same, you need to factor in your operational costs and subtract that from the rent you are getting to understand your overall profit. If you own any property, see how much you are paying on the entirety of it. Factor in property taxes, homeowner association fees, or community fees if applicable, renter's insurance, home warranty, mortgage insurance, and of course, your monthly mortgage payment. Let's say, for example, you pay $600 a month on your mortgage, but after you add all the fees I mentioned earlier, your $600 is now sitting at $900 a month. So when you're looking for renters, you know your break-even is $900 a month. As with anything, you have to have a buffer just in case of any unexpected occurrences. So advertising at $1,100 a month at minimum is a good idea. If the rental market is higher than that, then you can adjust to match it. Check the comparables in your area. Next, make sure to vet your tenants so that you know they can pay you every month without hassle. Each state has their own specific landlord and tenant laws, so draft up the contract based on that. Collect the first month's rent and security deposit before move-in. Make sure tenant is aware of everything you are asking for before they sign, and make sure they initial off on each of it. And discuss the best way for them to pay you: online, cash, check, etc. If you can understand these, then rental income investing can be repeated multiple times for a higher overall gross profit. That's it for the third series. Be on the lookout for the fourth series where we will go over earned income. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe to the channel and start your journey to financial freedom today.